It's trivia time! Did you know that Lev Vygotsky is a Russian psychologist who explained how children learn? His main idea that learning happens through social interactions and culture. And Vygotsky believed that children learn better when they interact with teachers, parents, or classmates. But the question is, the children can learn alone? The answer is no. He said we don't just learn alone, but the help of others. One of his example is a zone of proximal development. That means what a child can do with help, but not yet alone. Yeah, for example, a student may not know how to solve a problem, but the teacher's guidance, they learn, and later they do it dependently. He also talked about scaffolding. This means giving support at the start, then slowly removing it when the child becomes better. Did you know that Vygotsky is sometimes called the father of social learning? That's because his ideas highlights the importance of communications and cooperations in education. And his theory reminds teachers and students that learning is not just an individual process. It is a social experience that happens through teamwork, communications, and culture. And did you know that Lev Vygotsky was born in November? Yes, November 17, 1896 in Orsha, which was then part of the Russian Empire. And Vygotsky grew up in a well-educated Jewish family. His early educations emphasized literatures, philosophy, and the humanities. And did you know that Lev Vygotsky studies at university? Yes, university. He studied law at Moscow State University, graduated in 1917, but also pursued interest in psychology, philosophy, and linguistics through self-study and informal education. Vygotsky also said that language helps thinking. He believed that when children talk to themselves, they're not being silly. They're actually learning and organizing their thoughts. This self-talk helps them solve problems and become more independent thinkers. Did you know that Lev Vygotsky died young? Yes, died young, at just 37 years old due to tuberculosis. Even though his life was short, these theories continue to shape education today. Teachers all over the world use his idea to make learning more interactive and meaningful. And lastly, Vygotsky said language is very important in learning. Talking with others help us think and understand better. Thank you for watching.